We're standing right at the edge of a massive, massive shift in artificial intelligence. It's not just about getting answers anymore, it's about getting things done. Hey, welcome! In this explainer, we're going to go on a little journey. We'll start by jumping into the pretty incredible future of AI in 2026, and then we'll bring it all the way back to the practical steps you can take, like right now, to build your very own custom AI assistants. So here's our game plan. We'll kick things off with a peek into the future, then we'll get our hands dirty building our own GPTs, I'll share some pro tips, and finally, we'll connect it all to the next big thing, the age of AI agents. Sound good? Let's dive in.
Okay, first up, let's really explore the monumental leap that AI is about to take. And I mean, we're talking about a change that is going to completely redefine how we interact with technology every single day. Think about it like this. The jump from the AI we have today to what's coming in 2026, it's like going from one of those old brick cell phones to the smartphone that's in your pocket right now. It isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of what it can do and what it's even for.
And this quote right here, it nails the single most important idea. AI is moving from being this sort of passive thing that just generates content to an active partner that executes tasks. Soon, it won't just write the email for you, it'll send it. It won't just create the calendar event, it'll actually schedule it with everyone. So what's going to make all this possible? Well, there are a few groundbreaking features. We're talking about autonomous agents that can manage whole workflows for you. True multimodality, which is just a fancy way of saying it can understand anything you throw at it. Text, voice, images, documents, you name it. Plus, it's going to have a personalized memory of your work, your style, and a huge leap in just how smart and accurate it is.
Now, here's what's so incredible. The foundation for this wild future, it's already here. It's called Custom GPTs, and learning how to use them is our first real step into this new world.
So, what even is a custom GPT? Well, think of it as your own specialized AI assistant that you build for a very specific task. Maybe it's a pro at generating YouTube titles, or it drafts killer marketing copy. And the best part, you can do it all without writing a single line of code. Okay, so that sounds pretty cool, but how do you actually build one? You might be surprised at just how simple the process is. It's truly designed for everybody.
The entire process really boils down to these 4 essential steps, and it's all handled in the Configure tab of the GPT Builder. You define its mission, you give it instructions on how to act, you can upload some specialized knowledge files, and then you just test it out and refine it. That's it.
And it's so important to understand this distinction. Instructions are the brain. They tell the AI how to think and what its personality should be. Knowledge, on the other hand, that's the library. It's where you put all the specific facts and data that your AI needs to look up.
Okay, so you've built a basic GPT. Awesome. Now let's look at some pro tips to really level it up and get consistently powerful results every single time. If you want incredibly reliable outputs, you've got to structure your instructions using this proven 4-part formula. Start with a crystal clear purpose. Define the exact personality and tone of voice. Set some clear rules, like character limits. And finally, give it a few examples of what a perfect output looks like. And here's a super simple but powerful technique. Use basic formatting. I'm talking about things like Markdown for headings or these things called delimiters to separate different sections. It can make your instructions so much clearer and way easier for the AI to follow precisely.
And check these out. Here are 3 amazing commands you can build directly into your instructions to force the AI to think more critically. You can tell it to ask you clarifying questions if you're being vague. Or, my favorite, tell it to list how your idea might fail before giving you the solution. You can even have it sharpen your own request into a better question before it answers.
Okay, so let's connect all this back to the big picture. By learning to build these custom assistants today, you are directly preparing for the next massive wave in AI, autonomous agents. You're getting a head start.
You can see the clear progression right here. We started with simple information bots. We're now in the era of these cool specialized assistants with custom GPTs. But that next step is the autonomous agent, an AI that doesn't just assist you, but actively manages entire workflows for you. And pretty soon, we're going to see a whole marketplace where creators can build and sell these specialized agents. I mean, imagine an agent that handles all your SEO blogging, or one that acts as your personal fitness coach, or even one that automates HR tasks. This is where we're headed.
Now, as we approach this new era, it's really critical that we look at the whole picture.
to consider both the incredible promise and, the potential challenges.
And while the potential is just immense, we have to responsibly navigate some serious challenges. Things like the risk of misinformation, crucial data privacy concerns, the potential for becoming over-reliant on these systems, and of course the inevitable shifts in jobs that are going to require some real ethical oversight.
And this leaves us with a final, really powerful question to think about. As these tools evolve from assistants that just follow commands to agents that can take autonomous action, it forces us to think deeply about our role, our responsibility, and who is ultimately in control.